Vile, filthy and scandalous. Health Minister brings in cops to find persons behind social media scandal.
No conflict. J.C. Hutchinson continues to defend his innocence.
And Ready or Not, part 1 of a special report on EOJ's preparedness for 2 major elections in one day. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what are your thoughts on the land deal involving the agriculture minister?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
Bye.